Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by using the Google account that will own the group calendar. This matters for permissions and notifications. Once signed in, open Google Calendar and click Create New Calendar. Name it clearly so everyone recognizes purpose. Set the time, zone, and description now, because events inherit those settings. Make sure to adjust access permissions to at least see availability. This first setup prevents time zone confusion and ensures the sharing steps that follow work smoothly. Next, open the calendar settings and select Sharing and Permissions. This is where you invite people. Add individual emails or a Google group. Groups scale better for larger teams, and pick a permission level. Make changes and manage sharing if they need admin control, or see only free/busy for simple availability. Once done, optionally enable event notifications for everyone and set guest visibility defaults. These choices control who can add events, edit details, and avoid duplicate scheduling. Finally, create events directly on the new calendar to confirm it behaves as expected. Always verify the calendar dropdown before saving. Invite guests and add descriptions, attachments, and reminders so everyone gets context. Make sure team members enable calendar sync in their mobile app and choose the shared calendar to display. If events don't appear, check calendar visibility, permission levels, and that users are signed into the right account. Often a wrong account or disabled sync causes missing entries.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.